Just doing a quick video sharing out there. It's my first time maybe doing this. This morning I wake up to see that there is a uptrend channel. Alright, uptrend channel movement, and somewhere at its price itself, after its confirmation, I've decided to long to ride along with this wave, and meeting this target that I shared during Independence Day to look for a short. So over here is my take profit level for the initial long, and of course when I look left, there's a structure over here, previous high. That is also the reason why this is my engaged price to look for a short. I did a minor adjustment to my entry price, just a very minor 7 pips, to bring lower to get it engaged, in reference of the previous high over here. So that's the first thing. So when I reached the office, I realized that the first trade that I have actually engaged into this uptrend movement itself actually make a profit of 388 US dollar. Isn't a lot, but I came up with a trading plan. I followed through my plan. That's a good thing, yeah. Right now the trade itself, these trade both are pound dollar, engaged separately because I have a different target level. Updated my target level in this video. I have put my target 1 as the previous low over here, and this is my first target. Let us see how much will that be, yeah. Alright, so that will be $1,115, 44 pips. And of course I will observe closely when the channel actually broke below, the market broke below the channel, and I will see how the market actually react to it. And of course my final take profit level is at the Fibonacci extension 1618 over here. Let me see how to show you the profit. Alright, so the final take profit level, or rather projected take profit level, will be 135 pips away. I ignore the last decimal because the 5th decimal place is not exactly a pip. Alright, is 0.1 pip, and by attaining that, I will have a 3,377 US dollar profit. So we'll keep you guys updated to see how the market move. It definitely looks great in this bearish move, but don't quite like this tail over here, and you just have to sit back and wait for the trade to develop. So it can only go both ways. Is either it went back up at this price to hit my stop loss, alright, or to hit my take profit. So just a quick recap over here. Let me just shift the chart a bit. Alright, for you to see. So this area is the sideways bounce area that we are looking at. Market break lower, came down over here. So this was my initial entry price, and oops, what did I do? Okay, let me just, it's always good to have a touchscreen computer, so I accidentally shifted my stop loss closer. Alright, so this is the initial entry price, and as you can see, this dotted line is the one that I've shifted to meet this level over here. But of course, even with that, my risk reward ratio profile, it is still good. Just be careful with this, in case it shifted it again. So I'll just key in the number. Alright, so this is my entry, and this is my stop loss. So by judging at the entry and stop loss level, I have tweaked slightly to my stop loss. Alright, judging at it, I still have a pretty good reward over risk ratio profile. Alright, my target 1 has changed to 299.05. This my, am I correct with this? Sorry, 299.00. Alright, so this is my target 1, attaining a 1-1 reward over risk ratio profile. And of course, target 2 remain unchanged. Let me just figure this out a bit. Let me just drag it. Alright, so you got to be really careful with this. Alright, so look at the target 2 itself. It has give me quite a good reward is to risk ratio profile. Let me just play with this a bit. 2945. Right, perhaps this is clearer for the viewer. Alright, so yep, this is my target 2. Judging from it, it is still having a very healthy reward over risk ratio profile, slightly more than 2-1. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. For the live video, this candle definitely looks good, and I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. If you don't wish to miss any of these great trade ideas, subscribe to us for the first month for only $10. Alright, so we are looking to produce at least 3 videos a week for you. So that's all for now. My name is Rain, founder of ForexTrading Academy Private Limited. Wishing all traders to have a great trading weeks ahead. Do take note, tomorrow there's a non-farm payroll. If you do not have a new trading strategy to curb that non-farm payroll, my advice to you is to avoid the trade. Alright, so long for now. I'll keep you guys updated. See you guys around.